Hey everybody, what's up? So today I'm going to be telling you how you can make easy paper rose. So let's get started. So what you need to do is just cut out you need a piece of paper and just cut out a circle from it and just start cutting it into a swirl. And yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So everybody, the rose is done. It's super easy to make. You can make it like less than 5 minutes and you can use it to decorate your things and more stuff. And yeah, so it's pretty fun to make this. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!